central Maryland, southeastern Howard County in central Maryland, east central Montgomery County in central Maryland, south central Baltimore County in northern Maryland, north central Prince George's County in central Maryland until 5:30 p.m. At 4:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located.
Continues SVR.
Moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Winds will cause source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Baltimore, Columbia, Severn.
Oh yeah, 860. I wonder if they're relaying it. How fast is your AM? Nope. Let's try 860 once and see if they're going. Nope, I cannot hear anything.
Power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Baltimore, Columbia, Severn, Olney, Elkridge, Baltimore, Washington Airport, historic Ellicott City, Glen. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:50 p.m. Phototon, Laurel, Pasadena, Fairland, Arbutus, Ferndale, Colesville, and Brooklyn Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.